We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John of Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to take a look at this HP P2055 printer, and we're going to show you how to print a supply status page. Now the reason that's important is to help you manage your printer a lot closer, especially if you don't use your printer that often and you can't remember the last time you replaced your toner, or you kind of just don't know where you're at and you don't want to wait to the last second when the printer has to tell you that you're low on toner. This will help kind of keep an eye on all that. So in order to print it, it's very simple. We're going to hit the OK button once. As you're going to see, it brings up the report option. Go ahead and hit OK again. And now we're going to use the up arrow so we can select supply status. Hit OK again, and that's going to print out a supply status page. Alright, so now we've printed out our supply status page, and you can see it's going to tell us what toner we have inside the printer. It's going to tell us the approximate percentage of toner remaining inside that cartridge. It's also going to show us how many pages have been printed and approximately how many pages are left to be printed with this toner cartridge before it runs out. Do keep in mind that these are approximate totals. The printer is doing its best job to guess based on percentages, but it's never 100% accurate. So kind of take these with a grain of salt, but at least gives you a good idea of where your printer is and lets you know if you need to have a backup toner available or anything like that. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help supply those for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and running. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.